Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cloud Thinking. Channel dedicated to tutorials on many different topics related to computers, apps, internet safety, you name it. If you are coming back to the channel, thank you very much. If this is your first time, I hope you like the video. If you do, make sure you go ahead and like, share, subscribe, show your support, and let's go ahead and get started. So today's video, we're going to continue our Microsoft Word series, and we're going to show you how to insert a cover page, a blank page, page breaks, and page numbers. All in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a second. Go ahead and bring up Microsoft Word if you're going to follow along. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and, with Microsoft Word open, you're going to go ahead and go up here to the Insert tab. And all the items that we're going to be working with are on this tab. You got cover page, blank page, page break, and page numbers over here. Alright, so to insert a cover page, it's very simple. You have your icon blinking on the primary page that you want. You're going to go up on the cover page button, do the drop down, and you have tons of templates that you can choose from. It's very simple. Just choose which template that you want to work with, and you can go ahead and insert that. And it will go ahead and allow you to click in here, and you can start typing, add your name down here as author, what have you. Alright, if you want to get rid of it, you simply click anywhere on that primary page. You can go back up to cover page, and you can go down to remove current cover page, and it will get rid of it, and you can start over. Alright, very simple. And of course, if you do, you can always change the colors of everything if you want. You can go through and format and everything and change the styles if you would like. Okay? Alright, so next we're going to insert a blank page. That is just as simple as inserting a cover page, as you could imagine. You're selected right here on the page. You can go ahead and click anywhere, insert blank page, and it will add a second page. Okay? To get rid of this, if you say you have two pages and you want to get rid of it, you can simply click at the bottom of this page, hit the delete button, and it will get rid of it. So you only have one page. Alright. Okay. So page breaks. So page breaks are basically where you want that page to end at. So if you want a page break halfway down through this page, let's click here for instance, and say you want a page break right there. Your page starts up here, but you want a page break right here, so this starts a whole new page. You would just select wherever you want a page break, and you would go through and select page break, and there you go. It creates a new page break right there. Now, you definitely want to be careful with this, because if you're going to print this and you want it to look good, this is often where people add their page breaks because they want certain items to print at certain points. But again, be careful with it because it will mess up your format. If you do want to delete a page break, you can simply undo if you're at that point. Or you can go through, click the bottom of the page again, and delete the page, and it will get rid of that page break at that point. And basically a shortcut to entering page breaks is you can hit Control Enter. So you hold Control, hit Enter, and there you go. That'll set your page break. Wherever your cursor was on the first page, that will set your page break. Alright, so let's set the cursor down here. Let's say we want the page break right here. Go ahead and hit Control, Enter, and there you go. Starts another page. And again, if you don't want these pages, you can either click at the bottom of the previous page, hit Delete. It will get rid of that page. And let's get rid of this one. Click at the bottom of the page, hit Delete. Alright. So adding in page number, just go back to the Insert tab, and Page numbers is just as simple. Again, you have a drop down here on the page number button. You can simply drop that down. You can choose templates if you want the page number at the top of the page, whether it's to the right, center, to the left. At the bottom of the page, same, to the right, center, to the left. And you can select one of those and it will put it in there. So if it's at the bottom, it's going to put it in your footer. And if it's at the top, it's going to put it in your header area. Very simple. If you want to change the color, you can simply, let's click out of here, go down, and just double click in your footer. It's highlighted. You can go ahead and either right click and you can format it. All right. Make sure it's highlighted and just turn it red, and there you go. Okay, you can change the font size, whatever you really need to. If you want to get rid of it, you can just delete it. And then you double click outside of the header or footer to turn off the header and footer area. Well, everyone, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really hope that it helped you out. If so, go ahead and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone that this may help out as well. Thank you for stopping by, and have a good night.